A lot of you remind me about this on a very regular basis. But unfortunately, there's no other place where you can experience this magic. Right? So thank you all for coming here. I have a schedule to keep, which my team is very relentless about. So they will murder me if I drag this out too much. So without further ado, let's get started. Attention. And it's been a flurry of the world trying to achieve drone delivery ever since. That vision never excited me though. It never captivated me, and it is not really what we see the future of drone delivery as at Airbound. That vision was really the next iteration of consumerism. It was a very incremental improvement, right? How do we go from same-day delivery to now delivery in the next 2 hours, right? It's nice, it will make a lot of money, but that's about it. As this business developed though, I think a lot of really interesting applications started to emerge. I think a lot of this audience knows about self-flying, a lot of them also don't. But drone delivery really found its place when we were looking at medical deliveries. Deliveries in remote areas, deliveries in places without infrastructure. It makes sense. Drones don't need roads. Drones can fly anywhere. And so in areas where road infrastructure is poor, where you don't have good connectivity, drones make sense. But why does it have to be limited to that? Why should drones only exist in areas where connectivity is poor? Because if you could create a drone delivery system that beats out every other form of delivery, even in the best possible roads, even in the best possible conditions, well then this is not just something that becomes a nice to have or something that is needed in areas of poor connectivity. You start to create a world where roads truly are optional. Because right now our entire world depends way too much on roads. Where you live has a huge effect on the quality of life that you can experience. You need to be in a big city to get access to economic opportunity. You need to be in a big city to get access to basic services. Yeah, we don't get quick commerce here. No Zepto, no Blinkit, no Swiggy. It's it's difficult. It's difficult to scale this out to areas that are not insanely densely populated.